Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 150th edition release. And today is release day and the vlog hop as well as Instagram hop. So make sure you're commenting on all of the designers. I'll have their names down below, as well as My Creative Times store and her YouTube channel as well. You have to live in the US, 18 years old or older, and to leave a comment in order to be able to win this $50 gift certificate. Make sure you go over to Instagram as well, because you'll have a winner on YouTube as well as on Instagram. All right, so I'm just going to do a recap on everything that I created so you can go shopping. All right, so we have the cute wagon die. Love this. Comes with 6 dies. It's adorable. My Creative Time will have the way you put this together on her channel, so make sure you go over there and check that out. Then we have the wagon sentiment stamp and dies, and this is adorable as well. There goes all of the sentiments there. Hopefully you can see them. And then these are the little pieces, the die pieces that you can add the sentiments onto. She also has leaf wagon add-ons, plate dies. Love this set. Then we also have the flower wagon add-on plate dies. Adorable, adorable flowers. Love them. And then this one right here reminds me of a poppy. Just too cute. And then the 3.75 by 4.75 rectangle doily dies. So this is another add-on that you can use with that 3.75 by 4.75 card-based die, or just use it by itself. And then she has the long-awaited the envelope die that goes with the 3.75 by 4.75 card base. Love this set. For Sneaky Peek Day 1, I showcased this card here. Love how that wagon looks and all those flowers. Just adorable. That's how that sentiment stamp and die looks. And then that's a little paper clip there. Adorable. I did use several dies, but if you'd like to go back to Sneaky Peek Day 1, is where you'll see most of the dies, and also Sneaky Peek Day 2. And then there goes the inside of that. Just an adorable set there. Here we go with that next card that I had used for Sneaky Peek Day 1. I used some pieces from the wagon to create the fence. I used the wheel from the wagon. And I thought I would throw a cat on top of there. I did add some flowers and that build a scene die for the rocks. And love how that turned out. This is from the 5x5 card-based layer die. But really cute. There goes the inside. And then for that 3.75 by 4.75 rectangle dies, doily die, I thought that was so pretty. And I had to make it a little elegant because, hey, who doesn't love a beautiful doily? And the butterflies went perfectly with that. That's the paper that she released last month, and I did add some vellum on top of that. But love how that looks, and I added a little trail, butterfly trail there. Just beautiful, beautiful. And then I did add a doily die in the inside. And then here goes another card that I created for Sneaky Peek Day 1. And love how this turned out. Just so beautiful. I just used the leaves and used the postage die from the 3.75 by 4.75 card base. Those dies give you so much to work with. It's just amazing. And she has a lot of different dies for that card base. And then there goes that hope this card brightens your day. And I added some gems. Just perfect. Didn't finish the inside, but I will. And then this is the 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die. Adorable, and I did make that to fit in the inside of there, just to show you that. And then the last thing that I created, I went back to one of her previous releases and grabbed that coffee bag die, made some pumpkins from her previous releases. And if you'd like to see what I use, go back to Sneaky Peek Day 1. And then I added a couple scoops on there. I did put a little dangle on the back side. Just a little something there to add a little extra little pop on the back side of there. But love how that turned out. And I did use her epoxy stickers. And it's just so super cute. Love that though. And those are all of my sneaky peeks for this release. Make sure you use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase, and make sure you use any of the other designers' codes. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. Make sure you comment on everybody's YouTube channels as well as Instagram. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.